BIZOL has a broad range of products designed for independent repair shops and for car owners who value their vehicles. As a young and dynamic company, BIZOL has the flexibility to respond to market demands effectively. We also specialize in product development and are able to meet market demands worldwide. We want to become much more efficient by being faster in product development, faster in order processing, and faster in the way we communicate.
Wir haben uns bewusst für Bayern entschieden, weil Bayern schon seit langem bekannt
We consciously chose Bavaria as our production location, considering its well-developed infrastructure and excellent transportation capabilities to be ideal.
Für uns spielt das Wort Qualität
For us, quality plays the most important role, starting with the choice of raw materials. We strive to achieve the highest quality in all production processes. It's also important to us how the goods are packaged and loaded, so that our customers receive the goods in the best possible condition. BIZOL holds a leading position in the production of lubricants for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and car care, including additives and sprays. We pride ourselves on the ability to impress and inspire partners with our top quality products, setting us apart from our competitors.
Die BIZOL-Produkte sind daraufhin abgestellt, dass sie
BIZOL products are designed as problem solvers, addressing the problems faced by car repair shops when servicing vehicles. Those are also products that can be used by end users, drivers, to solve their own problems. We want to better understand the needs of independent auto repair shops, so we can offer them simple and effective solutions that allow mechanics to get the job done faster and cheaper. If we put the mechanic in the center of our interest and keep our focus on the needs of car owners, we'll get the right perspective and we'll be able to set up internal processes correctly and provide the best tailored products and solutions.
Und richtige Produkte, um unseren Gang zu finden.